Alright, so we have less than a minute here on the Ninja Foodi, and as you can see, I'm in a hotel room, and it's a non-smoking hotel room, and here is, of course, the smoke detector. It's not giving off any heat on the top, maybe just a little bit around the sides here, but it's not like terribly hot or anything. It's not giving off any type of smoke either. I know that yesterday I had it cooking over there, and I had a steak on the grill, and I opened the lid, and of course, right above the fire alarm or the smoke alarm. So that wouldn't be a good idea. So if you're going to use it in a hotel room, just make sure that you you cook away from the smoke detector. Also, I put the air on to ventilate the room and left the door open so that, in case I need to open it, and it just ended, so that's good. In case I need to open it, just a little bit, but try not to contain the smell or the smoke. If I ever need it to, it's away from the smoke detector and the air is blowing it out the door there. So just a little helpful tip. But yeah, this Ninja Foodi, I have cooked potatoes in it. I did a steak. I have right now duck legs in it, it's been going for 20 minutes now. I did it at the recommended time. I just did it for 20 minutes because I wasn't sure exactly how any of this was going to go, especially after my little smoke detector scare the other day. But it worked out today, so I'm glad. I just moved the unit away from the smoke detector, turned the air on, opened the door, and I monitored it all this time, so worked out. Ninja Foodi.